the world's fastest electric skateboard. We're gonna have to do a race. It feels like a dream. Exhilarating.
It is now officially on speed mode 3.
Huge thanks to Skateboard for sponsoring this video. Link in the description below, and you can use the promo code SP30 to get $30 off your purchase. All right, guys, we are super excited to be here today with the Fremont Skate Park locals. My name's Aaron Cairo. I'm a sponsored skateboarder from the San Francisco Bay Area.
I'm Freddie Potter. I'm Dan, and I'm unsponsored.
Okay, so we're gonna open this box, which is gloriously already opened. On the top, there's a nice piece of paper. Skateboard. This is the world's fastest electric skateboard ever. 105 millimeter wheels. Look at the bottom. It's just.
Is that a V8?
It's just it's straight up.
This is bigger than your Prius engine.
That's what I'm saying. That's why, you know, we're gonna have to do a race. These wheels are massive. They're nice and big and soft, and they can go over cracks. I think you could go over a mountain with this.
Can we see how fast the wheels go full speed?
We can. This bad boy goes 60 kilometers an hour. You might be asking yourself, how fast is 60 kilometers an hour?
Why don't we have Australian Dan here to tell us kilometers?
Because we looked it up already. It's 37.
37 miles an hour. There you go.
Oh! Wait, so there's multiple speed modes.
There's multiple speed modes.
So 50 kilometers is the first mode, 60 kilometers is the second mode.
Crank up the heat.
How do you crank it up?
Pump up the jam.
Let me see.
Gabe, professional e-board rider. Let's start it off on the lowest setting, yeah.
That's the lowest setting.
Yeah, right there?
So you press the button, you feel it vibrate, and when it vibrates faster, you know it's getting faster.
Wow. This thing is a beast. It has a W shape for the best riding experience.
Like you could ride that through the dirt.
Yeah, literally.
What does it feel like?
It feels like a dream. It feels like you laid down on a puddle of clouds. You're gonna get a skateboard? You can't keep up with this, dude.
Well, that's why I got the long lens out.
Oh, yeah, right.
So this is speed mode 1?
This is speed mode 1. I feel like we need to, like, do we do the car next to it? See how fast it's actually going? Race this car that's coming up?
I guess, yeah.
Come on, dude. Let's go. No! Speed mode 1 was not fast enough. Oh my gosh, it does start going really fast though.
Speed mode 1 is still pretty fast. That's just speed mode 1, brother.
How many speed modes does it have?
I think there's 3. Okay.
I swear, we've ridden more electric longboards than anyone. We have the Guinness Book of World Records for the most electric
Probably.
longboards. So let's speed mode 2.
You gonna go speed mode 2? All right, this is speed mode 2. He looks like Nigel when he's trying to hit that gap.
Oh, no, dude.
Oh!
That was scary!
Aaron! I'm so nervous about him. The same level of nervousness as Nigel dropping in on those boards.
Yeah.
All right, how was that?
I'm getting speed wobbles. There's no way it goes faster than that.
I guarantee you, bet. Right here. Let me do it for you. All right, it is now officially on speed mode 3.
It's like.
Oh no. Oh!
So scary. Oh, we need to race this Tesla. Do you want to race? He said no. He said no. Scared. Scared.
That is fast, dude. How does it feel though?
How does it look?
It looks really fast.
Oh my gosh, that is really fast.
Where is he going? Oh, he's on the sidewalk. Oh my god! He's going so fast!
He was laughing all the way. It sounded like.
Oh my god!
What? Oh,
dude.
Yeah, that's fast. That's gotta be
Oh
fast.
my god!
That's top speed fast. Oh my gosh.
Ooze, you gotta try it.
I think it's interstate ready. What do you think?
He's in the road. He's in the road. He's in the road racing cars.
I got you! What? What you got now?
All right, check the speed. Check the speed.
Okay, so it went 25 miles an hour, which feels like 85 miles an hour, which feels like extremely fast. But they're saying they think it doesn't go as fast because I'm fat.
Yeah.
Troy, how much do you weigh?
I weigh like 150. Oh man.
Just stay on here. Okay. If you fall on this, and hold this in your pocket, and good luck, mate.
If only Nigel were here.
If only Nigel were here, yeah.
He really does. One time, he came up to me and like tried to push me or something, and I was like, I didn't realize you were like...
Exhilarating. Here he comes. I love how he got off of it to turn it around.
This is that prime transport. You'll get to work in like 10 minutes with one of these.
Yeah, it's true. Here he goes. Top speed. No! No! Look at his face!
Why did it wobble like that?
Get off! Abort! Abort! Abort!
that was the best roll I've ever
The
seen.
flying Hawaiian out of it. I mean, we need to race or something.
I think we race the Prius.
Let's race a running man. Who's the fastest running man?
Oh, let's go. I'll gas anyone right now. So who's racing?
Me and you, dude. Let's go. The camera will be right here, and we'll go down there.
And then whoever can get to the camera first.
Yeah, so get on.
The method of going on an e-board with someone else is crossing your legs like this.
That's not true.
It is. See? Nice and balanced. In case, no, this is too fast. Aaron, please. Aaron, please. No, dude. No, Aaron, I'm freaking out, bro.
My prediction is that the short distance, you can win. The long distance, I got you. I think I'm gonna win this one. You ready? On your mark, get set, go! Oh no! Oh no!
Yeah, he's got a head start.
Oh no! Get him! Get him!
Go good! You got it, good!
Whoa! Dang, Usain Bolt up in the house.
You got lucky.
Now the Prius or what?
Yeah.
Let's see if this thing can off-road though. That's the real story. Actually, this is where we should race. Fault don't matter, dude. It's all good. It's 105mm wheels.
I'm gonna get in the car.
Okay. You got your seatbelt on? Okay, where are we going? To the end of the parking lot?
Yeah.
Okay, let's let this car go by, I guess.
What's happening, Aaron?
We're gonna race.
We are so sorry.
Hey, no, it's no worries. On your marks, get set, go. The Prius got a slow start too. The Prius not that fast. Ah! Okay, go. I feel like I'm going incredibly fast. Whoa.
You have to do a race where you start full speed and the Prius starts slower.
Okay, go to that line where it's like a little bit lighter and I'll full speed up to that and then you go. Full speed up to this line. Get! Troy? Yeah, I'm winning! Fully winning! I don't even know if I can get full speed in this time. And go! Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. History has been made here today, my friends. We have beat the world's fastest 0 to 60 car with an electric board. And yes, the fastest car in the world, 2010 Prius. Okay, so on the first race, I think the Prius definitely won, but on the second race, when I was going and then I hit the Prius full speed as it started, I definitely won that race, hands down. Test number 85, so we're gonna see how it is in the skate park. I guess you could ride off a curb. Okay, I gotta ride off this. Oh. Not bad, not bad. All right, so this is a very nice, durable board. I was really impressed with the wheels and the speed and how fast it goes, really. So just to give you a little recap, it does have this nice W shape. It has some nice concave right here, which helps stabilize. There's no nose and tail, but that is because the wheels are massive. They're 105mm wheels. There's tons of batteries. Look at that. Look at that beast. So really all you have back here is on-off button and to power it up. So yeah, really sick board. You guys can check it out. Link in the description below. You can use the promo code SP30 to get $30 off of your purchase. Link in the description below. Go check it out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and you, yes you, learn how to skateboard. Check out all the other videos right there. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and you, yes you need to learn how to skateboard. It's time.